Hello everyone, welcome to ASL with Abby. In today's video, we're going to learn how to sign numbers. We're going to learn to sign numbers 11 to 20. If you do not already know how to sign numbers 1 to 10, check the description below. I've left you a link to a video signing 1 to 10. So let's begin with 11 to 20. I'm going to start from 11 all the way to 20. Watch, sign along, and learn. Let's begin. 11. Snap out one finger. 11. 11. 12. For 12. We will snap out two fingers. 12, 12, 12, 13. Hold up number 3 and do this. 13. Shake. 14. Hold up number 4, 14, 15, 16, hold up number 6, 16, 16, 17, 18, 19, 19. That's right, let's do it again. 20, 20. Thanks for watching. Check the description below for link to sign numbers 21 to 30. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Until then, bye.